Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a prince and a princess together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the princess hair with a wavy line, a semicircle, another semicircle, and a curved line. Draw the face with 4 diagonal lines. Draw the ears with 2 semicircles. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Trace the nose with a small upside-down letter V. Draw 1 curved line for the mouth and 2 for the eyebrows. Draw 2 vertical lines for the neck. Draw the color of the jacket with a diagonal line, a V-shaped line, a diagonal line, a vertical line, and a V-shaped line. Trace the jacket with a small diagonal line, another small diagonal one, and a longer diagonal line for the sleeve. Now trace the base of the jacket with a diagonal line, a vertical line, horizontal line, a vertical line, and another diagonal one. Now draw the second sleeve like I do. Draw 2 horizontal lines for the belt. Split the jacket with a diagonal line, a vertical line, draw 3 small circles for the buttons. Draw 2 lines on each sleeve. Draw the first hand. Trace the first leg with a vertical line, horizontal line, and another vertical line. Draw the shoe with a curved line, horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. Draw the second leg and the second shoe. Now draw the princess. Trace the crown outline. Draw the hair with a curved line, another curved one, an M-shaped line, a curved line, and another curved line. Draw 2 locks of hair and the ears. Draw the face with a curved line and another curved line. Draw 2 circles for the first eye. A curved line for the eyebrow. And 3 small lines for the eyelashes. Then draw the other eye. Draw an inverted V-shaped line for the nose. Draw a curved line for the mouth. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw a vertical line for the neck, horizontal line, and an inverted U-shaped line for the strap of the dress. Draw a diagonal line for the arm, hand, and another diagonal line for the arm. Draw the fingers, then draw the princess hand like I do. Draw a vertical line for the neck, horizontal line, and an inverted U-shaped line for the strap of the dress. Draw the dress with a semicircle, horizontal line, another semicircle, a diagonal line, horizontal line, and a diagonal. Draw a large curved line for the skirt of the dress, horizontal line, and another curved line. Draw the second arm with 2 lines in an inverted V shape. Now draw the shoes, follow me while I'm drawing. Draw 2 curved lines and 1 vertical line inside the dress. Draw 2 diagonal lines for the hair. Now draw a heart around our friends. Well done! Our drawing turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes. Use light pink for the skin. Color the princess hair with brown. Use red for the jacket. Color the buttons, the stripes on the sleeves, the belt, and the crown with yellow. Use orange for the princess shoes and the princess hair. Use Use light blue for the princess dress. Use blue for the trousers, the straps of the dress, the belly part, and the shoes. And color the heart behind the characters with pink. Excellent! The prince and the princess are ready for their first dance together. Good job! Goodbye, friends! See you soon!